In this video, I present our new concealed hinge model Pivota DX35 3D LT to you. This new model is available from now on. It carries 40 kg per pair and therefore is suitable for light interior doors. LT in this regard means light, and what we want to say with light is a cost-reduced production method. If you look at the new model and you compare it to the known Pivota hinges, you will see that we do not use the 4-arm joint anymore, but we are using a 2-arm joint with same parts. And at the same time, you see that we reduced the parts for the adjustment mechanism. Still, the hinge is 3D adjustable and it is maintenance free. And very important for us, as with our normal Pivota hinges, we also use in the cost-effective model our piston guidance, which is for us very important to ensure permanent function. The hinge is available in our normal finishes, for instance like satin nickel plated, as you can see here, but also in RAL 9005, which is black and which is a very trendy color at the moment. The accessories which are available are receivers for steel frames and fixation plates for case frames. And also very important, we are using the same joint profile as for the DX38 N3D, which I have presented in a video before. And this joint profile allows a very good opening size for this hinge. The model is available from now on, and it is replacing the model DX35 2D LT, which is being discontinued.